Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to connect Homaxi's IPC to a third-party NVR using a non-PoE connection. Stay with us. Connect the IPC, PC, and NVR to a switch using Ethernet cables, or any other method ensuring that all devices are in the same network segment. Support for activation using Homaxi NVR, Homaxi Tool, and IPC web browser. Here, we'll use Homaxi Tool as an example. Open Homaxi Tool. Activate the IPC. And configure the appropriate security measures. Search for the respective IPC device and click Add. Then, click Edit to modify the password to complete the addition process. Homaxi IPC supports the standard On-Deck protocol, allowing you to configure preview, playback, and motion detection settings when connected to the NVR with non-PoE support. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.